Mom, I'm done. I failed again.
Hey, take a breath. Let me see.
It's embarrassing. I wrote, I goed to school and he eated lunch. The whole class lost it. Even the teacher looked disappointed. Maybe my brain just isn't wired for English.
English does not hate you, and you are not stupid. Come, sit with me. Tell me, what were you trying to say?
I wanted to talk about yesterday, about what I did, but every answer was wrong.
I see exactly what happened. You were trying to use past simple tense, and nobody explained it to you clearly. Am I right?
Yes, the teacher just said memorize the list, but the list is so long.
Forget the list for now. By the time we finish talking today, you will understand past simple so well that you'll never write GOED again. I promise you that.
You really think so?
I know so. Now wipe those tears. Let's turn that D into an A again. Alex, first question. What is past simple for?
Talking about the past?
Exactly. Things that already happened, finished, done. Yesterday, last week, this morning, all past.
Like what I did yesterday?
Perfect. So tell me, what did you do yesterday? Just talk normally.
I woke up, I ate breakfast, I went to school.
Beautiful. You just used past simple 3 times perfectly.
I did?
Yes. Woke, ate, went, all past simple. Did you notice something about those verbs?
They sound different from normal?
Exactly right. In past simple, most verbs change their form completely. We call them irregular verbs. Go becomes went, eat becomes ate, wake becomes woke.
So I can't just add S like present simple?
No ass this time, but here's the good news. Past simple is actually easier than present simple in one way.
Really? How?
Because there's no difference between I, you, he, she, we, they. Everyone uses the same verb.
Wait, so I don't need to worry about adding S for he and she?
Exactly. Listen, I went, you went, he went, she went, we went, they went. All the same.
Oh, so goed is wrong because went is already the past form.
Yes, that's it. You just understood the biggest rule. Now let me teach you 2 types of past verbs. Ready?
Ready.
Type 1, regular verbs. These are easy. We just add ed to the base verb.
Just ED?
Yes, watch. Walk becomes walked, play becomes played, watch becomes watched, cook becomes cooked.
So yesterday I walked to school, she played football, he watched TV. Perfect. Every single one correct. That's actually easy.
Now type 2, irregular verbs. These are the ones that change completely. No ed, they have their own special past form.
Like go and went?
Exactly. Let me give you the most common ones. Listen and repeat after me. Go, went.
Go, went.
Come, came.
Come, came.
Eat, ate.
Eat, ate.
See, saw.
See, saw.
Take, took.
Take, took.
Have, had.
Have, had.
Give, gave.
Give, gave.
Excellent. Now use them in sentences. Tell me what you did yesterday after school.
Okay, I came home at 3 o'clock. I ate a sandwich. I took my backpack upstairs. I had some juice. Then I saw my friend Tom outside.
Perfect. Every irregular verb used correctly.
Mom, I actually remembered them.
Because you use them in real sentences, not just a list. Now let's practice the negative. How do we say something did not happen in the past?
I don't know. I didn't.
Close. We use didn't plus the base verb. No past form after didn't.
Base verb? So not went, just go.
Exactly. I didn't go, he didn't eat, she didn't come, not didn't went or didn't ate.
Oh, so the past is already in didn't.
Smart boy. Now practice. Tell me 3 things you didn't do yesterday.
I didn't watch TV. I didn't play games. I didn't eat vegetables.
Very honest, all correct. Now, questions. How do we ask about the past?
Do we use did?
Yes, did plus the base verb. Did you go? Did he eat? Did she come?
Same rule. Base verb after did.
Exactly. And for WH questions, what did you do? Where did he go? When did she come?
What did you eat for breakfast? Where did he go after school? When did she come home?
Perfect. You're flying now. Okay, Alex, let me tell you a little story about yesterday. Stop me when I make a mistake.
Okay, I'm listening.
Yesterday morning, I waked up at 7 o'clock.
Wrong. Woke up. Wake is irregular. Wake, woke.
You got it. I woke up at 7. I ate breakfast.
Wrong again. Ate. Eat, ate.
I ate breakfast. Then I went to the market. I buyed some vegetables.
Wrong. Bought. Buy, bought.
Excellent. You know your irregular verbs.
Mom, I actually know this.
Okay, final test. Tell me everything you did yesterday from morning to night. Use perfect past simple.
Okay, yesterday I woke up at 7 o'clock. I brushed my teeth and washed my face. I ate cereal for breakfast and drank orange juice. I took the bus to school. I saw my friends Tom and Emma at the gate. We had English class first. I studied really hard. I ate lunch in the cafeteria. After school, I came home and did my homework. I watched one cartoon. I had dinner with my family. Then I went to bed at 9 o'clock. Mom? Was it wrong?
Alex, not a single mistake. Not one.
Really?
Every irregular verb, perfect. Every regular verb, perfect. Negatives, questions, you understand it all.
Mom, I came in crying, and now I feel like I can teach the whole class.
Maybe one day you will. But Alex, I want you to remember something important. You didn't fail because you're bad at English. You failed because nobody sat with you and explained it clearly. That's not your fault.
You always know what to say, Mom.
And you always know more than you think you do. Now, last question. What did we do today?
We sat together, you taught me, I listened, I practiced, I learned, and I went from D to A.
Perfect past simple. And a perfect answer. I love you, Alex.
I love you too, Mom. Same time tomorrow?
Same time tomorrow. Always.